Hello everyone. I hope you are all doing good. In this video, we'll be discussing about the three very important and crucial subjects that we definitely have to master before giving NEET PG. So this would be anatomy, microbiology, and biochemistry. Each of this subject weighs around at least 10 questions per subject, and that would be yielding around 120 marks. And this 120 marks are those marks which will give you an edge, because after clinical final year, these three subjects have to be worked upon from the scratch, and if you do that, you will definitely soar very high. So ultimately, what is our goal? Our goal is, when the D-Day comes, जो 3.5 घंटे हमारे पास है, 9 to 12:30, the 3.5 hours, whenever a question from this any subject comes, then we have to have the basic idea about it, so we can think and actually take logical guess and get the right answer. So ultimately, we want our best output in this 3.5 hours of all the 19 subjects at a particular time. So what generally happens is, for these three subjects or even any other weak subject, because it gets a bit overwhelming or uninteresting, we usually skip to go into the depths of the subject, or we usually skip the whole subject. So that is something that we must totally refrain from. That is something that we should not do. So what I did was, for the preparation, for better performance in NEET PG, you need to have better performance in the previous grand tests, and for that grand test better performance, you need to conquer the weak subjects, and these three would be, at least one of these three would be in the list. So what I did in my internship was, as mentioned in the previous videos, skimming, scanning, and speed reading is a very efficient strategy, especially for subjects like anatomy. So because of very high visual information in the scanning part, just going over through the images in anatomy was the method that I chose, and because of that, I covered at least 50% of the information which was in the image based format, at least 200 pages out of something 350 pages, and 400 pages and that helped a lot. So skimming, scanning and speed reading for anatomy was my approach. And what I did for microbiology and biochemistry is, the revision videos on my coaching app, I watched those videos, but I kept my book open. So while the topic discussed by the faculty on that video was being narrated, I read the same thing in my notes, so that helped me develop a visual recall. Subconsciously, I knew where the things were, and that helped recall the information in my end exams as well. But most important of all, I could answer the 80% of easy to moderate questions in any grand test or in any NEET PG or in any other entrance exam. This would be the scenario. 80% questions would be easy to moderate, and you will be able to answer them, but for that you need to revise frequently. So for me, this was the strategy. The 3-part reading sequence for anatomy, maximum visual information, which gets covered adequately in scanning, and in a lesser amount of time, without succumbing to distractions, you can complete this subject very easily. For microbiology and biochemistry, what I did was, I watched revision videos, or even schema is a very nice option. You can read thoroughly the very frequently asked topics, and you will be definitely able to answer easy to moderate questions of these three subjects, or any other subject for a matter of fact. So yes, this was my strategy for these three subjects. And anatomy and microbiology, first, let's say 6 months until NEET PG right now. So apart from doing custom modules, 50 question, moderate difficulty every day, apart from doing giving periodic grand tests and having a written plan, which, as we can remember, the most important thing is having a written plan and sticking to it, and also writing how to do part. Matlab, for the next week, you also write, these are the things that I will use in my breaks. Use your breaks very efficiently, so that you will be able to cover these weak subjects before giving the grand test. And yes, having a written plan, sticking to your source, and also writing the how to do part for the next 7 days. Means I indulged in this kind of habits in the last week. I will not at all indulge in these habits. I write this on my plan, and I will instead listen to this podcast or read this good book in between. So writing that on that piece of paper will help you stick to the discipline and will give you maximum yield in terms of your target for the next week. And for the info, it is very likely that NEET PG would be in the next year 2023 instead of next, based on the information that I've been getting. So yes, mastering these 3 subjects and giving periodic grant tests, 50 question custom module moderate difficulty would be of much use in the percentile aspect. And all the best, you will do great.